In today's video, we're going to talk about the most important ES6 features in JavaScript that every developer must know. These features make your code cleaner, shorter, and more modern. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to use ES6 like a pro. Let's get started. Before ES6, we only had var to declare variables, but now we use let and const, example. Use let when the value can change. Use const when the value should stay the same. This makes your code more predictable and easier to debug. Arrow functions give us a shorter way to write functions. Cleaner, faster to write, and they handle this differently, better for callbacks. Template literals let us write strings with variables in a much easier way. Notice the backticks, grave accent, instead of quotes. No more messy string concatenation. Destructuring lets us unpack values from arrays or objects into variables. Example with arrays. Example with objects. This makes code shorter and cleaner. Default parameters let us set default values for function arguments. This avoids bugs when arguments are missing. The spread operator lets us easily copy or merge arrays and objects. Super useful for combining data. And that's it. We just covered the top ES6 features: let and const arrow functions, template literals, destructuring default parameters, spread operator. These features will make your code more modern and professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments section, what project should I build next? See you in the next tutorial.